So hello students, another GK question, a very fascinating one. This is about the Olympics. Yes, the correct logo of the Olympics. For your reference, I have a GIF in front of you. This just displayed. Now I want you to observe how the rings, especially the yellow and green, the below ones, are blended into the top three. Yes, it's all about observation. Let us go clockwise. How the yellow ring starts. It starts from above the blue and then goes below in the two places, in the 2 points where it intersects the blue ring. And similarly, when it goes to the black, it goes from above the black and then goes from below the black. So it's above, below, up, down, up, down. The same is for green. If you observe, the green comes from above the black and goes below, then similarly above the red and then passes below the red before completing the entire logo. So same is depicted by the arrows. Let the arrows help you. The arrows are showing you where the rings are above and where the rings are below. So the correct depiction I have created is in the option A, the arrow that you are just seeing right now. Okay, yes, these arrows, especially the ones to observe, will be the below rings. It makes your job very easy. So go clockwise. The yellow passes above the blue, then below it, and then above the black and then below it. Similarly, the green passes above the black and below, and then above the red and below. So it's up down and clockwise. So option A is definitely the correct answer for this. So I hope this video was interesting and clear enough for you. So thank you. Let's meet up in another video, a very fascinating one. Thank you.